Hello friends, in the first video we see the importance of Python, and in this video we'll see how Excel have been integrated with Python. So that is mostly useful for civil engineers. So first of all, we will go in formulas and then go to this insert Python section. So here you see that Python in Excel. Open the Python Excel documentation. You will see all the samples what Python can do in Excel. You can drag up and drag down, and you can play with the code. So this is the very first thing. So another way to open Python in Excel is you just type is equals to then py and bracket start. So this will again start the Python in your Excel. The another way to open Python in Excel is using the shortcut Alt Control Shift plus P. Then you will get this. So I will just write force is 50 kilonewton, area is suppose 100. If you have to determine stress or pressure, then stress will be nothing but force divided by area. So that you would have done in when you integrate Python. Now you can write this as, so just open the Python code. Force is equals to given 50 and area is what? Area is 100, and you can determine stress force divided by area. Now if we do control enter, if you do control enter, it is saying the value is coming out to be what? Python value 0.5. So this is the difference. So now you can just change it into the Excel value as well. So for that you can go this here, Excel value is changed, or you can go again and make into Python object, right? So you can see the detail of this result. So you can say show data type card. So this is Python structure, value is 0.5, Python type, the data is float type, and Python type name is float. So you can see the difference between this normal Excel. Now this is in Excel but it written in Python, right? So I have written this for description, just for description. So or you can just erase this code. I will write stress here. Now I'll write Python code here, py bracket start. Now so we have this value, right? So stress is this value, this is stored, this x1 b1 means that this value is stored in this cell, divided by this value is again the stress. So if you shift control plus enter, then the stress will be coming out to be the same. This is the very simple thing. Now if the data is complex, then it will be difficult in Excel only. For that we can write that in the Python. You can see that this is the beam of certain cross section of B and D. So this is B and this is the D of this beam. This is simply supported beam of span L, and it is having the load L at suppose center. Then the maximum deflection will be occurring at center, and you know this formula, y is equals to PL cube by 48 EI. So after knowing this formula, I know that you know the load, this is the length, and E is modulus of velocity of that Young's modulus of velocity, I is moment of inertia of this beam cross section. So you know these fundamental things. Now we'll just calculate the deflection in Excel, and we'll show it in with respect to the code that we make in Excel but using Python. We have the case, suppose we have different types of load. Let us suppose that we have these loads, right? In first case 10 load, then 20, then 30, and we have suppose different length span. Now we have modulus velocity something, and moment of inertia suppose of this beam is depends on B and D. Let us suppose B is suppose 300 mm and D is suppose 350 mm. So moment of inertia is coming out to be this, right? So now you can determine the deflection value. We will write the normal Excel formula as PL cube by 48 EI. So P is this into length is this, right, to the power 3 divided by 48 times E is this value, but it is constant. So I will apply $sign here, and into the moment of inertia. The moment of inertia is this value. So again I will just put constant here, $sign here. So yeah, So if you hit enter, the deflection in mm is coming out to be this. So for everything that you need to do is drag, right? So if the load is 20 kilonewton, the deflection is coming out to be this, and length is also varying, right? But by Python code, what we can write, what will be deflection by Python code? Now we will just go to Python. You know that is equals to py. Now the Python have been open. Suppose deflection delta is equals to delta is the deflection value is equals to what? PL cube by 48 EI. So that will be load P. This is load P, L cube, PL cube into L. What is L? Length this. So it is to the power 3, right? So you have to do 2 times this to the power 3 in Python. So in Python, if you have to write to the power something, that you need to do 2 times PL cube, right? So this is one value. So I will just start bracket here, PL cube divided by 48 times E. E is this value into I is this value, right? So I am just showing you for the very first case. So if you do control enter, so Excel is showing busy. So here is an error like this. Control enter. So you get the value of the deflection, right? But we need all the deflection values. I will just change the code, because I have just used load and deflection of this case only, right? I have to use all this case. So I will just do, so this is a load, right? The load is varying from here to here, right? So this is B4 to F4, it is directly going here, and the length is varying, and length is varying like this. So length will be varying from this to this. So PL cube by 48 EI. E and I are suppose constant in this case. This value is P, this is L to the power 3, this is 48 times EI, right? So I will just write one bracket here, yeah. So and just control enter, then it's saying the deflection is coming on the data frame. Look, so the deflection value now is coming in the data frame. What does it mean is that your deflection value in Excel directly come like that, but in Python it is stored in the data frame. Now you can see, so data time card, look, the data frame for space 0, for position 0, for value first is this one, for value second is this one, value third is this one, and value fourth is this one. So I will just change these values into Excel values as well. So for this I will go here and then change into the Excel values. So look, the same Excel values will be coming. You need not to drag anything. So we are not just replacing Excel, we are integrating Excel and Python. So like, share and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.